how to fix your HP NV6155E printer in case you're having Wi-Fi issues or in case you're having a paper jam. Well, let's start with the paper jam, okay? Every time you get the error on the display, there's a few places where you can look. First of all, what I suggest is that you see there's a small indentation here, a small gap. Pull this lid all the way up. Okay, it will give you a better look at the insides of the printer. And if you have a paper stock where these rollers are, or sometimes the paper gets stuck under this carriage, okay, with the printer cartridges, go ahead and remove the paper with a pair of tweezers or your finger. Additionally, you see you have these blue tabs that you can pinch like that, pinch and pull. This will give you even a better view at these rollers. So if you see any paper stuck there or maybe on the cover itself, remove it. To put back the cover, you simply have to jam it inside and push it down until it clicks. Once you have removed the paper stuck in the HP printer, I suggest you go ahead, you unplug the power cable even if the printer is turned on. Okay, simply pull it, wait 5 seconds or more, and then plug it back. This will delete the paper jam error, since when it restarts, it will notice that there's no more paper stock and everything will work normally. Now, if you have Wi-Fi issues with this printer, which happens, the first thing you need to try is what I just showed you a few seconds ago. So unplug the power cable, wait at least a minute, 2 minutes, and plug it back. I suggest you do the same thing with your Wi-Fi router. Afterwards, power on the printer, power on your Wi-Fi router, and there's a good chance this will fix any problems. Another thing you can do is to reset the Wi-Fi of the printer. Let me go on the home screen here, press the menu button, go down, select Tools, go down, select Maintenance, Restore Settings, and here you have the first option, Restore Network Settings. This is for the Wi-Fi. So by clicking Restore and pressing Yes, only the Wi-Fi, the other things won't get deleted, will be resetted. You'll have to connect yourself back to your Wi-Fi router, and hopefully after doing this, everything will work smoothly. If you have any other methods on how to fix these issues, please write a comment down below, or if one of these worked, I want to know. So comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.